And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, just some light rain here in West Lafayette right now, but things are going to get a little bit more intense over the next couple of hours as this big batch of rain is going to be moving into the WL5 viewing area. But this storm, quite the dynamic system. You could see very good snow up toward Iowa, northern Illinois, stretching all the way down with severe weather occurring down toward portions of Georgia, Alabama, and just went out of Mississippi this morning. So let's get a closer look here at home. You can see that batch of rain, very heavy rain. There may be a rumble of thunder, but not picking up any lightning for right now. But we had some thunder very early this morning, but all this is heading again to the north and to the east. Right now we're just seeing some light, just moderate falling rain across the viewing area. There may be a quick little isolated sleet, maybe a flurry far north, but temperatures well above freezing for most of us. You could see that dark blue really where we're seeing 34-degree temperatures. 36 Kentland, 34 Monticello. That's where we had a fair amount of snow this morning, a lot of slide-offs on some of the roadways, but 37 Delphi, 38 Flora, 42 in Lafayette, and I mentioned this earlier, Clarks Hill had a report there of 46 degrees, so very warm air. And this is all coming in with that big batch of rain. I think temperatures may even go up a little bit more. And the latest data this midday, I think this is going to stay mostly rain for much of the afternoon. This is very heavy rainfall. Some areas to the far northern portions may get a little bit of sleet, especially by later this evening, and maybe some snow. Especially here's 5 o'clock. Here's more of the pink and the blue showing up. But again, most of us staying as rain by 5 as previously thought that we might actually cool down a little bit more. But with temperatures as warm as they are now, I think we'll stay fairly warm even up to 5 o'clock, but after that things will start to wind down. We'll see some drizzle, maybe some freezing drizzle, some sleet, a few snowflakes. Then we transition all to snow after about 9, 10 o'clock tonight. If you're doing any traveling this evening, the winds will be relentless. As you can see, the low pressure is going to pass right overhead. When that happens, things will be fairly calm, but watch when this gets out of here. We could get up to 50 miles per hour wind gusts in places, pretty much the entire viewing area, seeing very strong winds. This is midnight going to 3 o'clock, still very windy out there. Then we calm things down a little bit, but still very windy for Saturday morning and very cold as well. So blowing and drifting snow. So with that being said, I've kind of gone down a little bit here with my snowfall totals from an inch to about a half an inch to possibly 3 inches. That's on the higher end here for the viewing area, traced to an inch to the south. Still looking at a good amount to our far northern portions of the viewing area, but the biggest impacts again will be the strong winds tonight, power outages with this a lot of rain heading our way. Some ponding, flooding of roadways may occur, and also just very windy conditions and cold conditions will start to move in for tonight. Tomorrow, just a cold, blustery day. We'll be stuck in the lower 20s, upper teens with those windy conditions out of the west-southwest. So nonetheless, very dynamic system, very cold weather on the way. Sunday, 9 degrees for a high. Overnight lows Monday. Tuesday morning will be below zero, -2 Monday morning, -3 Tuesday with wind chill values about -20 to -25.